As we know, the quantity of Samsung tempered glass on the market is different. The products are unstable, and defective rate is more than 30%. Otao has adopted the most advanced heat-bending technology and new techniques to perfectly solve all the major problems. Otao has introduced the top international heat-bending equipment for precise data control, which ensures the stability of the whole production. Otao has very strict quality control standard, which highly guarantees the production quality and increases the product qualified rate. With Otao designed installation tray, super easy installation. It only takes 10 seconds at the fastest. Touch sensitivity is excellent. The unique design makes the visual area wider. Otao Full Glue Curved Glass Leader.